Hitting it big, unraveling the phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a popular English phrase, hit it big. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, origins, and how to use it in everyday conversations. Let's get started. When someone says they hit it big, they're usually referring to achieving a significant amount of success, often suddenly or unexpectedly. This success can be in various forms, be it financial gain, fame, or any other type of achievement. Imagine winning the lottery or becoming a famous celebrity overnight. These situations can be described as hitting it big. The phrase, hit it big, originates from gambling contexts, especially games like slot machines. When a player wins a large sum of money, they've essentially hit the jackpot. Over time, this term started being used in broader contexts, not just limited to gambling, to indicate a sudden surge of success in any field or endeavor. To make it clearer, let's look at some examples. 1. After years of performing in small venues, the band hit it big with their latest album. 2. She hit it big in the stock market and is now considering early retirement. 3. With the invention of a groundbreaking gadget, the young entrepreneur hit it big in the tech industry. Understanding synonyms can further cement your grasp on the phrase. Some common synonyms for hit it big include struck gold, made it big, struck it rich. Each of these phrases carries the same essence of achieving substantial success, often in a surprising or sudden manner. There you have it. Now you know what hit it big means, where it comes from, and how to use it. Language is all about understanding and context. And you've just added another fun phrase to your vocabulary arsenal. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll hit it big in your English language journey. See you in the next video.